How to find your blocked user on Discord. Hello guys, today I will show you how to find your blocked user on Discord. Just watch the video until the end. The first step guys is go into Discord and open it. And then when Discord is opening, you will go down and open. Then you will go to account and then you will go down and you will find here blocked user. Click on it. Then here you will find the list of your blocked user that you block, the account and the person that you block on Discord will find them here. And that's it guys. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you next video.